Alright, so welcome back. We did a little bit of grinding. My game actually just crashed. Now, while we were grinding, I did just a little bit. We caught ourselves a Growlithe and a Bellsprout, and I caught the Bellsprout because I was going to trade it for that guy with the Onyx. But it turns out that trade crashes your game. So we're not going to be doing any in-game trades anytime soon. And if anything, that Bellsprout, we'll use it again when we get cut. But now it's time for the gym, which is a perfect time to switch train Teddy. Hey, I'm no trainer, but I can give some advice. Believe me, if you believe a championship dream can come true, you believe, then listen. The grass type is weak against flying type. Keep this in mind. Alright, well, I don't have a grass type, or a flying type, so... Let me see if you're good enough to... Yo, this is a guy who creamed me with that spear. Revenge. I'm here for my revenge. Aqualad! Faulkner looking emo as hell. Alright, now, before we battle Faulkner, I'm sorry, I was gonna see what it looks like during the gym battle, but I'm gonna level up. Totodile, my Aquaman. He's gotta be level... Is there a Warble here? Yo, I'm sorry, I'm catching this. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting a Wurmple. I don't know why I named it Kakuzu. Don't ask me why. It's Jolly Nature, which means it's gonna suck. We're not gonna... He's not joining the team, I'm sorry. I don't know why I did that. But hey, gotta fill up that Pokedex, am I right? Go. 30 attack, 19 special attack. Our chunky little man. Look at our chunky little man. Now he went from 48 HP to 53. Before the gym battle, I say we get some potions. Just for GP. Yeah, we need those. I'm Faulkner, the Violet Pokemon Gym Leader. People say you can clip flying-type Pokemon to bring a jolt of electricity. I won't allow such insults to bird Pokemon. I'll show you the real power of the magnificent bird Pokemon. It's flying-type Pokemon. Get it right, my guy. Level 15. Damn. Oh, it's so ugly! Burn. Ugh. Of course not. I was about to throw a Pokeball. Come on, Aqualad! Yeah. Where's the attack power of Pokemon? It also enables Pokemon to use Flash if they have it. Mudslug. Ugh. You know what? It's a stab. Better than nothing. What'd you pick up, my guy? An Oranberry? You know what? Good job. Good job, Ford. Hello, James. Discovered something about the egg. My assistant is at the Global Center by the city. Can you talk to him? Sure, my dude. This is him. Long time no see. As a favor to ask, would you take this Pokemon egg? We discovered that Pokemon will not hatch until it grows in the egg. It also has to be with other active Pokemon. You're the only person we can rely on. Please return to the lab when that egg hatches. Sure. You should hatch. Alright. Next, we can go south. I don't have any grass types. Stop it. Execute. Damn. Get mud slapped. Get mud slapped, ho. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Yo, forget Violet City. All my friends live in Viridian City. What's up, dude? Yo, that's a level 15. Rain boosted water gun? Oh, you had to land. You couldn't have just missed? No? Alright. A nest ball, cool! Yo, stop it. Stop Stop it! These guys are so high level. Just hit! Yeah, I know for a fact that he's having white towers. Stop smoke screening! Live. Yes! You little jerk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These guys are tough. Oh no, another one. My team has seen better days. Wait, you're not gonna fight me. What's up, my guy? Are you the guy I think you are? Let's go back for a sec, just so we make sure we don't miss any trainers. Did we get everybody? Do this thing! So is Pidgey bulkier than Spearow? Is he hanging out closer? It's you again! I'm heading to Azalea Town to take out the gym leader. I've already thrashed Violet's gym. Let's see at the gym for battle. Prepare yourself. Smiley face. Yo, what a weirdo! Excuse you. Excuse you. Dude, I love the hikers, I'm sorry. They're so cool. Oh, I would love an Onix. Is there a way to evolve it into Steelix though in this game? If I run into an Onix, I'll catch it just, you know, in case. Level 20, yeah. Go Teddy! Look at my little man! My hunky little man. I haven't had any encounters in this place. This is weird. Great ball. Alright. That looks pretty cool. It's not. A Slowpoke. I'll hold on to it for right now. Don't want to do that. Not right now. I really hope Teddy's able to carry us through this next gym. Over here! That was very nicely. What? Alright, Teddy. It's all you, my guy. JK, it's all... What's going on? This kid won't let anyone in Azalea Town until he gets his Pokédoll back. Here, you can make use of this. Thanks! His Pokédoll? Would it be up here? That wasn't there before. Yeah! Pokemon Master. I'm killing everything because everything is under-leveled, and I need all the experience I can get. So, thank you very much, mister. I'm a woman, thank you. Should we get to the gym? Let's see Rocket. It's almost ready to hatch? Yo, bet. While it hatches, let's do this. Grind. Try and give me another brick candy, maybe? Gonna hatch this egg. Stop draining! Oh my god! Wow! Alright, but I think that's enough for this episode. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and peace.